What is up, guys, and welcome back to Whitley Autoworks. That is what I have been saying for the past 5 years tomorrow. On January 22nd, 2019, I started this venture with Whitley Autoworks. And I was like, man, I've seen all these guys, TJ Hunt, Deadbeat Garage, Sprayway Customs, the list goes on of popular YouTubers that I've watched for years do YouTube and just been like, man, I could do that. That's easy. This, that, and the other. Or I know more than those guys, or this, that, and the other, or whatever, you know. And finally, in 2019, I got up the cojones to put my first video on YouTube. And it went nowhere. And for the past 5 years tomorrow, I've been doing this. Sometimes consistently, sometimes not so much. I've had a lot of great times with a lot of great friends that have come and gone doing different things over the years, and even some family members that I've thrown in a random video that have passed on, and I can go back and watch that video to see them. So it's been a crazy ride with YouTube, to say the least. At one time I was getting Copart cars and trying to fix them on the channel and going to Cars and Coffee, and then COVID hit, and that was crazy. I was laid off from my job twice, and I was on the Biden train on unemployment for a good bit. And honestly, during that time period, a lot of people were sitting at home, and that would have been a great time for me to ramp up my channel. You know, I'm getting paid to sit at home and this, that, and the other. What did I do? Not that. I kind of just lounged around. And then here recently, over the past, I say year and a half, I've really picked it up and tried to make an honest go at YouTube. And here recently, I put out a video painting the hood orange. And next thing I know, it hits. And 45,000 views later, here we are. You guys are watching this video. And, you know, my subscribers have grown immensely. I think I gained almost 1,000 subscribers in less than a month. And that allowed me to get monetized. And ever since then, I've been chasing that rabbit. And now we're over 2,000 subscribers. Last I checked, we were at 2,055 subscribers. And I'm grateful for each and every one of you, and I'm not quitting YouTube. Let me just put that out there. I know it probably sounds like this is going somewhere, but it's not. If more so, I'm just trying to give you guys an opinion from a guy that's been doing YouTube for the past 5 years. If you're thinking about getting on YouTube, or if you just want to know an underdog story, obviously I'm not TJ Hunt. I haven't blown up to millions of followers with all these endorsements, and I don't have the best camera setup. Obviously, I've been using my Samsung Galaxy A12 phone, which is horrible, and many of you guys have even commented your audio sucks, or this, that, and the other. And I'm about to upgrade, guys. I recently just upgraded my thing, so you're gonna notice something in the coming videos. The quality is gonna change. It's gonna get a lot better. And trust me, I read every comment. I try to give you guys a thumbs up and a heart on the comment, or if you guys ask me something, I try to respond the best I absolutely can. And you know, I think that's what's helped my engagement to now be able to join the Amazon Influencers program. What that is I can tag all the products that I've used on these videos, and you guys can go click on them, and it doesn't cost you guys anything more, but it does give me a small percentage, which helps out the channel, which is a great opportunity. And I'm pursuing other ventures too with it, because I really like to ultimately be able to do stuff like this full time. Obviously that's a long ways away right now, me only being at 2,000 subscribers, and if we continue at the course I have been continuing for 5 years for 2,000 subscribers, by the time I'm 386, I'll probably get to where I want to be and be able to finally just do YouTube full time. But ultimately, that's not the end all be all for things for me. I enjoy just getting on and posting up videos for you guys, and in the same aspect is I get inspired by other YouTubers I watch to try new things and see somebody else do it first, and even teach in certain instances. And that's been really cool for me, guys. Anytime you guys comment and thank me, or hit me up via email or on my Facebook and let me know, hey, I saw your video and it inspired me to go out and do this, and then I look at some of your jobs and it's way better than mine, and I'm like, man, that guy can do YouTube. But hey, that's the whole thing, and a lot of people don't realize that you can do it. It's just really as simple with social media stuff as taking that chance, picking up a camera, and making a fool of yourself. For the past 5 years, I've been sitting here with this laptop right here. It's nothing special either. Editing videos, hand over fist, trying to throw out great content for you guys, and hope that somebody will watch it, subscribe, share, click that little bell notification so they see my smiling face every single time, stuff like that. But it is what it is. I love YouTube. I have no plans of stopping anytime soon. I really hope we can grow this channel into something, and as long as you guys enjoy watching it, you guys continue engaging and commenting and let me know, hey, I enjoy that, or hey, try this, or whatever, that's all I'm asking for. Just engagement, and you guys showing me that it's worth my time and you enjoy it, and that's all that matters. If it goes somewhere and it takes off and I get tens of thousands of subscribers and I can actually get, start making good legit money off of everything, then that'd be great. But I think that's where a lot of people are quitting YouTube now, because they get to the point where I'm at right now after about 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years, and it hasn't taken off, and they see like TJ Hunt, and we can go back and look at how long certain people have been on, how many videos they've put out, and I see people on with half the amount of videos I've got, and they've got well into the 50 to 100K subscribers, and I'm like, what the heck? And their videos aren't even anything special. I really don't know how this YouTube algorithm works and all that. I try to figure it out constantly, obviously, and I'm always brainstorming new ideas to see where we can take the channel to next, and I'm going to keep doing that. I love you guys. I love doing YouTube, and I just love having fun with cars. I mean, that's my passion. I've had a lot of friends come and go. I haven't had the luxury over the years of having but so many friends at a time. I haven't had a big group like a channel like Illuminate, where I could get everybody together and we all do cars and this, that, and the other. I haven't had that. I'm lucky if I have one friend at a time that wants to do cars, and half the time I'm having to teach them or whatever else. And then about time they get good enough to do it on their own, they walk away. They're gone. And they're doing something else, or hardship hits, like with everybody, and they can't do it no more. And I try to stay, I try to help best I can, but it is what it is. Anyways, my case in point with this is, don't give up. If it's a passion, if it's something you love in life is way too short. You might not get the most recognition you want. You might not have the number of followers you want. You might not have anybody that cares for a long time. But eventually, you will get there. And if nothing else, the journey is worth it, guys. And I enjoy doing YouTube. I enjoy watching you guys learn. And in some ways, you guys teach me. Bigger YouTubers have commented on my channel and told me this, that, and the other. Some great comments, some bad. And I've learned a lot from watching other fellow YouTubers just like me. And like I said, maybe one day we will grow to 100K, million subscribers, who knows? Whitley Auto Works could take off overnight. That's just the way YouTube is. But regardless, I plan on still being the same old John Whitley, stumbling over my words, trying to make videos for you guys, looking and feeling awkward as crap. And if you guys enjoy it, that's all that matters to me. And like I said, we'll have fun things together, projects to get done. My wife's CRV, she loves it. I mean, it is what it is, guys. I'm making people happy, and That's what I love to do. But if you guys have made it this far in the video, I would love you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn that bell notification on, share this with your friends, share my channel with your friends, this, that, and the other, all that stuff we're supposed to say because we're on YouTube. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. I know this wasn't the most traditional video. I didn't have a lot of poppy things going on, but hey, it's from the heart. It is what it is. But we do have a lot more content coming. Like I said, I'm upgrading equipment, so a lot of things are going to change really fast with my equipment. I'm going to try and get better with the cinematics and stuff like that, and just do a better job overall together for you guys. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. 5 years and going, and I'll see you guys on the next video.